The batsman on strike is Zubair and Tariq Dar is on his bowling mark. And this is good bowling. This is dot delivery. This is the first over of the second inning between Dot Pirates versus PCC Bahrampura. Tariq is on his first over on bowling mark to the batsman Zubair. It is good shot played by the batsman Zubair, and the two batsmen take a single, and with this single the score for PCC Bahrampura is 1 run. They opened this their account with single, and now they need only 119 runs. The two teams are today played BCC Bahrampura versus Dar Pirates Chukar. This is another good delivery by Tariq Dar. This is dot delivery. Score remains on 1 run after 3 deliveries. They need 123 runs. Now they need 122 runs. Tariq Dar on his bowling mark to the batsman Rashid Rashid. This is another good delivery by Tariq. This is dot delivery. No run. Score remains on 1. This is the first over of this evening, second evening of this match between Chukar Dar Panthers versus BCC Bahrampura. First, Dar Pirates, they win the toss and they opted to bat first. This is good shot played by the batsman Arshid, and this is first 4 for Arshid Rashid and first 4 for BCC Bahrampura. And with this 4, Arshid Rashid, he opens his account with 4, and with this 4, the score moves on 5 runs. Arshid, he is on 4 runs. Tariq Dar on his bowling mark to the batsman Arshid, and Arshid plays another good shot at the end. It was the chance, but at the end is missed. But here is missed also by there is misfielding by the fielders of Dar Pirates, and the two batsmen they take 3 runs in the shape of extras. This is not good fielding by the fielders of Dar Pirates. They have lazy cricket today here at Chukar Tulbagh ground. Tariq completes his first over and he gave 8 runs. After 1 hour, the score on board is 8 runs without any loss. Now BCC Bahrampura, they need 115 runs, and the new bowler is on his bowling mark Atikula as the new bowler for Dar Pirates. Rashid Rashid on strike.
Good tips.
This is the second over of this evening, second evening of this match. Atikula on his bowling mark to the batsman Arshid, and here is chance of this is the first wicket for Dar Pirates, and PCC Bahrampura, they lost their first wicket in the shape of Arshid Rashid. Arshid Rashid goes on 7 runs, and this is the first wicket for BCC Bahrampura. BCC Bahrampura lost their first wicket in the shape of Arshid Rashid, and this is good catch taken by the fielder Tariq Dar. Now the score on board is 8 runs, and they lost 1 wicket in the shape of Arshid Rashid. Now the new batsman come on strike is Bilal. Atikula take his first wicket on his first ball. This is great bowling by Atikula. He take first wicket in the shape of Arshid Rashid. The score on board is 8 runs after 1.1 hour. Great bowling by Atikula. He take his first wicket in the shape of Arshid Rashid. Now Atikula to the new batsman on strike is Bilal. Bilal is the new batsman for BCC Bahrampura. They need only 115 runs, and they have 9 wickets in hand. Now Atikula to the batsman Bilal. Atikula on his bowling mark to the batsman Bilal, and this is a wise played by the batsman. This is Bice 4. With this score, the score moves on 12 runs, and they lost 1 wicket. Now BCC Bahrampura, they need only 111 runs. This is a low total here given by Dar Pirates to BCC Bahrampura, the total of 126 runs. Now they need 111 runs and they have 9 wickets in hand. Adikula on his bowling mark to the batsman Bilal. Oh, there was the chance that, but good bowling by the bowler Adikula. And this is great bowling by Adikula. This is totally no run. Score remains on 12 runs and they lost 1 wicket. This is great bowling by Adikula. Adikula has a very good technique in bowling. Is experienced and well decent cricketer of Dar Pirates. Oh, this is another wicket for Dar Pirates, and BCC Bahrampura lost another wicket in the shape of Bilal. Adikula takes the wicket of Bilal, and clean bowled by Adikula. Great bowling by Adikula. BCC Baramulla, they lost 2 early wickets and they have only 20 runs on board. This is great bowling by Adikula. He takes 2 wickets and this is the first over of Adikula. Now here BCC Bahrampura, they need a partnership here if they want to take this match at the end. But here they lost early 2 wickets on 12 runs only. Now Adikula, great bowling by Adikula, and I already say you that Adikula had much more techniques in bowling. This is the new batsman on strike now, Umar, the captain of BCC Bahrampura. Wani Gawar, AC is enough for Bahrampura. Wani Gawar sir, thank you for watching this live stream. Keep share this live stream with your friends, and you can also watching this live stream on my YouTube channel Muhammad Anas bin Bilal. This is Umar, the captain of this team. BCC Bahrampura is on strike now, but at the end I can say this: Adikula is the bowler. He takes 2 early wickets for his team. Dar Pirates. Adikula on his mark to the batsman Umar. Umar plays a shot for a single, and Umar opens his account with a single. With this single, the score moves on 13 runs, and they lost their early 2 wickets. Now BCC Bahrampura, they need 110 runs in 109 deliveries. Wani Gawar साहब, thank you for watching this live stream and keep share this live stream with your friends. आप कमेंट सेक्शन में जरूर लिखिए आप तक हमारी लाइव स्ट्रीम की क्वालिटी और वॉइस आप तक कैसी पहुंच पा रही है. कमेंट सेक्शन. This is another good delivery by Adikula, and this is dot delivery, no run, and this is the end of first over of Adikula. He completes his first over and he take 2 early wickets. Very good bowling and he give only 5 runs. Great bowling by Adikula. जितनी तारीफ की जाए उतनी कम है. अच्छी बॉलिंग का मुजाहरा किया आज यहाँ पे Adikula. Now the senior bowler of Dar Pirates is Nisar Ahmad Dar. He is one of the most senior cricketer of Chukar. Now he is on his bowling mark to the batsman Umar. This is good bowling, great bowling by Nisar Dar. Sajad Ahmad Dar, nice blast. Thank you Sajad Dar sir for watching this live stream. Keep share this live stream with your friends, and you can also watching this live stream on my YouTube channel. This is Nisar Ahmad Dar to the batsman Umar, and this is a wide delivery given by the umpire Lala. This is wide. The score moves on 13 and they lost 2 early wickets. 14 runs on board and they lost 2 early wickets. This is Nisar Dar, one of the senior cricketer of Chukar. Now he is on his bowling mark to the batsman Umar. This is another good this is wide delivery given by the umpire Lala. And Nisar Dar is not happy here with this wide. Now Nisar Dar on his bowling mark to the batsman Umar. This is another good delivery by the bowler Nisar Dar, but at the end the 2 batsmen take a single. With this single the score moves on 16 and they lost 2 early wickets after 2.2 overs. Now BCC Bahrampura, they need a partnership here. They need a big partnership. Zubair on strike. Zubair plays a shot for but at the end very good fielding by, but cannot take single. Score remains on 16 and they lost 2 early wickets after 2.2 hours. 3 hours. Nisar to the batsman Zubair. This is another good bowling by Nisar Dar. This is dot delivery, no run. Now BCC Bahrampura, they need only 107 runs and they have 8 wickets in hand. आज Nisar Dar on his bowling mark to the batsman Zubair. This is another good delivery. बहुत ही अच्छी बॉलिंग का मुजाहरा कर रहे हैं निसार डार, बहुत ही सीनियर खिलाड़ी है. He is one of the most senior cricketer in Shukar. He is on his bowling mark to the batsman Zubair. The score remains on 16. This is a great bowling by Dar Nisar. This is another dot delivery, no run. After 3 overs, the score on board is 16 and they lost 6 wickets. अच्छी बॉलिंग का मुजाहरा किया यहाँ पे निसार डार ने. Arshid Rashid lost their wicket on 7 runs and Bilal lost their wicket. He makes only 4 runs. Yet to bat Junaid Rafiq. Now Tariq Dar. He is on his bowling mark and this is the second over of Tariq Dar. He gave 8 runs in his first over. Now Tariq Dar to the batsman Umar. Now this is great bowling by Tariq Dar. Here he throw, but at the end it is missed by the fielders, and this is missed by the fielders. Lazy fielding here by Dar Parrots and extra runs in the shape of 4. This is not good cricket played by Dar Parrots, and here is very lazy fielding at the end. बहुत ही लेजी क्रिकेट खेल रही है यहाँ पे डार पिराट्स. यहाँ पे 4 एक्स्ट्रा रन दिए बीसीसी बहरामपुरा को. बहुत ही खराब फील्डिंग का निर्देश यहाँ पे डार पेयर्स की तरफ से. नाउ डार Tariq, he is on his bowling mark to the batsman Zubair. The score moves on 21 and this is another good shot played by the batsman Zubair. This is another 4 for Zubair and another 4 for BCC Bahrampura. The score moves on 25 runs and they lost 2 early wickets. Bahrampura, BCC Bahrampura, they need here a big partnership if they want to win this match, because they lost early 2 wickets. Now Tariq Dar, he is on his bowling mark to the batsman Zubair. Zubair, he is on 5 runs. Zubair plays another good shot. This is another good shot and another 4 for Zubair and another 4 for BCC Bahrampura. Score moves on 29 runs and this is expensive over by Dar Tariq. Now Dar Tariq on his bowling mark to the batsman Zubair. He is on 9 runs and this is great bowling, good bowling by Tariq Dar. This is dot delivery, no run. Score remains on 29 and they lost 2 wickets after 3.4 overs. This is the 4th over of this evening. Today's match is between Dar Panthers versus BCC Bahrampura. Tariq Dar to the batsman Zubair. Oh, here is chances of but missed by the wicket keeper at the end. This is a good delivery by Dar Tariq. This is dot delivery, no run. Score remains on 29 after 3.5 overs and they lost 2 early wickets. Now Dar Tariq is on his bowling mark to the batsman Zubair. Oh, this is first wicket of Dar Tariq and the 3rd wicket for BCC Bahrampura. BCC Bahrampura lost their 3rd wicket and great bowling by Tariq Dar. He takes his first wicket in his 2nd over and BCC Bahrampura, they lost their early 3 wickets. Now Dar Ferras, they need early wickets if they want to win this match, because they have low total on this pitch, 126 runs given to BCC Bahrampura. Now BCC Bahrampura need here a big partnership because they need 94 runs. Here is the 3rd wicket for Chukar Parrots and BCC lost their 3rd wicket in the shape of Zubair. After 2 overs, Tariq Dar take 1 wicket and give 21 runs. The score on board is 29 runs and take 3 early wickets. Now the most senior player of Dar Pirates, Atiqullah Dar, he is also very good experience in bowling. इससे पहले भी Atiqullah ने 1 ओवर दिया और 2 विकेट चटकाए अपने पहले ओवर में. अब दोबारा गेंदबाजी के लिए तैयार Atiqullah. और the new batsman is Ejaz. Umar is on strike now. Atiqullah is the bowler. He is on his bowling mark. He is on his 2nd over to the batsman Umar. Umar, he plays on 7. Atiqullah, oh, this is great bowling by Atiqullah. This is dot delivery, no run. So Gare remains on 29 and they lost the early wicket. This is great bowling here by Atiqullah and Tariq Dar. यहाँ पे विकेट चाहे डार्क पैंथर्स को अगर वो इस खेल में बने रहने चाहते हैं। दिस इज अनदर ग्रेट डिलीवरी बाय डिकोला। ओहो, गुड बॉलिंग बाय डिकोला, but cannot impress the umpire, Mr. Lala. This is another dot delivery, no run. Suker remains on 29, and they lost 3 early wickets. Very good and impressive bowling by Adikola. He take early 2 wickets for his team. This is Adikola on his bowling mark to the batsman Umar. Oh, this is another good delivery by the bowler Adikola. This is dot delivery, no run. Suker Jimenez on 29, and they lost 3 early wickets. बहुत ही अच्छी खेल का मुजाहरा यहाँ पे Adikola के दौरान, बहुत ही अच्छी बॉलिंग का मुजाहरा Adikola अपने दूसरे ओवर में, and very good bowling by Adikola. Now Umar, he is on strike now. Adikola to the batsman Umar. Oh, this is another delivery, great delivery by Adikola. This is dot delivery, no run. हाँ, यहाँ पे जितनी तारीफ की जाए Adikola की बहुत ही कम है। बहुत ही अच्छी खेल का मुजाहरा यहाँ पे Adikola के दौरान। Great bowling by Adikola here, and BCC Baharampura, they need a partnership here if they want to win this match. Adikola की जानिब से बहुत ही अच्छी बॉलिंग का मुजाहरा। यहाँ पे एक वाइड, this is wide given by the umpire Lala. The score moves on 30, and they lost 3 wickets. यहाँ पे विकेट चटकाने होंगे अगर इस खेल में बने रहना है डार्क पैंथर्स को। Adikola to the batsman Umar. Oh, this is wide delivery given by the umpire. This is wide. यहाँ पे वाइड नहीं देने होंगे, यहाँ पे रन्स बचाने होंगे अपनी टीम के लिए Adikola को। Adikola की तरफ से अच्छी बॉलिंग का मुजाहरा अभी तक। The score is on board is 31, and they lost 3 early wickets after 4.4 hours. Now Adikola on his bowling mark to the batsman Umar, the captain of this team BCC Baharampura, and another great delivery by Adikola. This is dot delivery, no run. Suker remains on 31, and they lost 3 early wickets. Now BCC Baharampura, they need 92 runs, and they have only 7 wickets in hand. Adikola on his bowling mark to the batsman Umar. This is slower delivery, but at the end it is given wide by the umpire Lala. This is wide. The score moves on 32 run, and they lost 3 early wickets. यहाँ पे वाइड बचाने होंगे अपनी टीम के लिए क्योंकि स्कोर जो है only target is 126 runs. यहाँ पे BCC Baharampura को एक पार्टनरशिप की जरूरत है अगर इस मैच में बने रहना है। Adikola on his bowling mark to the batsman Umar. Oh, this is great bowling by Adikola. This is a wicket. This is great bowling. This is a wicket of captain, and great bowling here by Adikola. He takes his third wicket in the shape of Umar. हो जितनी तारीफ की जाए उतनी कम है Adikola की। बहुत ही अच्छी खेल का मुजाहरा किया Adikola ने। उसने 3 विकेट चटकाए, सिर्फ 8 रन खर्च किए इन 2 ओवर्स। बहुत ही अच्छी बॉलिंग का मुजाहरा किया। This is the 4th wicket for BCC Baharampura. They lost 4th wickets, and they have only 32 runs on board. Not good cricket played by BCC Baharampura. They lost their early wickets, and they have only 32 runs on board. Now they need 91 runs. They need here a big partnership if they want to stay in this match, if they want to win this match. Now the new bowler on bowling mark is Nisar Dar, the most senior player of this Chukkar. This is the T20 third cup played at Chukkar Tulba ground. यहाँ पे खेलना होगा तो बैट्समैनों को एक अच्छी सी पार्टनरशिप देनी होगी अगर यहाँ पे जीत दर्ज करनी होगी इस मैच में। So this is Nisar to the batsman Ajaz. Oh, here is appeal, but not impress the umpire Lala. And this is great bowling by Nisar Dar. This is dot delivery, no run. Score remains on 32, and they lost 4. This is Nisar to the batsman Ajaz. Here is very lazy cricket played by the batsman of BCC Baharampura, and this is not good cricket. इससे पहले भी वानी गौहर ने कमेंट सेक्शन में बोला था कि 80 रन इज काफी फॉर Baharampura. I think he says truth because the batting of Baharampura is not good here. This is the single. The 2 batsmen take single. With this single, the score moves on 32 run. And they lost 4 early wickets. Nisar Dar on his bowling mark. He is on his second over. To the batsman Muzammil is the new batsman for BCC Baharampura. Oh, this is another wicket for BCC Bahrampura. They lost their fifth wicket, and this is the first wicket for Nisar Dar. This is the good wicket, and he take a clean bowled Muzammil. He goes on tuck, and this is lazy kicker by the players of BCC Bahrampura. यहाँ पे अगर कहना होगा बॉलिंग का अच्छा मुजाहरा किया आज डार पैराट्स ने हतीकुला की तरफ से अच्छी बॉलिंग का मुजाहरा और इसके बाद तारिक डार ने अच्छी बॉलिंग का मुजाहरा किया। इसके बाद अगर हम निसार डार की बात करें तो उसने भी एक अच्छी विकेट दिलाई अपनी टीम को। अच्छी बॉलिंग का मुजाहरा किया यहाँ पे डार पैराट्स की तरफ से। ग्रेट बॉलिंग बाय द प्लेयर्स बॉलर्स ऑफ डार पैराट्स। अगर हम निसार डार की बात करें तो एक जाने माने खिलाड़ी है, इस बारामूला में जाने माने खिलाड़ी है। इसने अपना पहला विकेट छटकाया इन द शेप ऑफ मुजाम्मिल। ही गोज ऑन टक। नाउ द न्यू बैट्समैन ऑन क्रीज इज जुनैद। अगर हम जुनैद की बात करें तो इसने अच्छी बॉलिंग का मुजाहरा किया आज अपनी टीम के लिए बीसीसी बहरामपुरा को। The target is only 126 runs on board, but BCC Bahrampura they lost their early 5 wickets and they have only 33 runs on board. Now the bowler Nisar Dar on his bowling mark to the new batsman Junaid. कमेंट सेक्शन में जरूर लिखिए आप तक हमारी लाइव स्ट्रीम की क्वालिटी और हमारी वॉइस आप तक कैसी पहुंच पा रही है। कमेंट सेक्शन में जरूर लिखिए। Nisar Dar on his bowling mark to the batsman Junaid. Now Nisar to the batsman Junaid. Here is chance of a catch, but at the end it is missed by Dina Diasar, the captain of this team. There was a chance, but they lost this chance. The two batsmen take a single. With this single, the score moves on 34 runs. And Junaid opens his account with this single. Mohit Billah, good, thank you Mohit Billah. Wow, this is another wicket for Nisar Dar and another wicket for BCC Bahrampura. They lost their sixth wicket in the shape of Ejaz Wani. Ejaz Wani lost their wicket. He makes only 1 run. This is great bowling by Nisar Dar. This is the second wicket for Nisar Dar. And here we talk about BCC Bahrampura. They have lazy cricket in batting today. Nisar Dar takes his 2 wickets and after 2 hours he gave only 5 runs and take 2 wickets. Now the great bowler Atikula is come again on his bowling mark. The new batsman on crease is Akib Bibi. Is the new batsman for BCC Bahrampura. जितनी तारीफ की जाए आज बॉलरों की डार पैरर्स की बहुत ही अच्छी बॉलिंग का मुजाहरा किया आज बॉलिंग के दौरान। बहुत अतीकुला की तारीफ जितनी की जाए उतनी कम है। निसार डार ने बहुत ही अच्छी बॉलिंग का मुजाहरा किया और तारिक डार ने भी अच्छी बॉलिंग का मुजाहरा किया। Now after 6 hours the score on board is 34 runs and they lost 6 early wickets. Now Dar Parrots they need 4 wickets only for this win and BCC Bahrampura they need 89 runs and they have only 4 wickets in hand. Now Junaid on strike. Here Atikula to the batsman Junaid. Oh, this is great bowling by Atikula. This is good delivery by Atikula. This is dot delivery, no run. Sukair Jimenez on 36 runs and they lost 6 early wicket, 34 runs. Sorry, Atikula on his bowling mark to the batsman Junaid. Mohammad Taufiq Salman Osa. Thank you Mohammad Taufiq Sah for watching this. This is another shot played by the batsman Junaid and this is first 4 for Junaid and with this 4 the score moves on 38 runs for BCC Bahrampura. Junaid Salman Osa now Salman was not in this team of BCC Bahrampura. Sorry for this. And Taufiq, I'm very thankful of you. You always support me and keep share this live stream. And you can also watch this live stream on my YouTube channel Muhammad Anas bin Bilal. This is Atikula to the batsman Junaid. Junaid he is on 5 runs now with the half of 1-4. The score on board is 38 runs and they lost 6. Now Atikula to the batsman Junaid. Oh, good bowling by Atikula. Great bowling. This is another dot delivery. No run. Score remains on 38 runs and they lost 6 early wickets after 6.3 hours. Atikula बहुत ही अच्छी खेल का मुजाहरा आज Atikula के दौरान. Atikula on his bowling mark to the batsman Junaid. This is another good bowling by great ball by Atikula. This is another dot delivery, no run. आज जितनी तारीफ की जाए उतनी अतिकुला की कम है क्योंकि आज 3 विकेट दिलाए अपनी टीम को, सिर्फ 12 रन दर्ज खर्च किए। नाउ ही इज ऑन हिज थर्ड ओवर टू द बैट्समैन जुनैद। This is a wide delivery and missed by the wicket keeper. This is wide and wide by 4. Here Dar Brothers, they need here good keeping, good catching and good fielding here if they want to win this match, because they need only 4 wickets to win this match. And PCC Bahrampura, they need 80 runs if they want to win this match, but they have only 4 wickets in hand. This is the problem. Super ball. आज जितनी तारीफ की जाए उतनी कम है चुकर डार पैराट्स के बॉलरों की, खासकर टिकुला, निसार डार और तारिक डार बहुत ही और अच्छी बॉलिंग का मुजाहरा किया आज यहाँ पे इस ग्राउंड चुकर तुलबाग। नाउ टिकुला on his bowling mark to the batsman Junaid. Here is not this is another dot delivery and extra run. यहाँ पे बचाना होगा वाइड और एक्स्ट्रा रन बचाने होंगे अपनी टीम के लिए अगर इस मैच को जीतना होगा डार पैराट्स को, क्योंकि अभी तक अगर हम कह सकेंगे तो अच्छी खेल का मुजाहरा किया अभी तक डार पैराट्स के बॉलर्स ने, फील्डर्स ने अभी तक अच्छी बॉलिंग का मुजाहरा किया। यहाँ पे अगर वाइड रन को बचाने होंगे, एक्स्ट्रा रन को बचाने होंगे, दे नीड हियर aggressive cricket if they want to win this match. Atikula on his bowling mark. This is not good ball by Atikula. This is another wide. With this wide, the score moves on 46 runs and they lost 6 early wickets. यहाँ पे वाइड रन को बचाना होगा, एक्स्ट्रा रन को बचाना होगा, सिर्फ 4 विकेट दरकार है अपनी जीत के लिए। Atikula on his bowling mark to the new batsman Akif. This is great bowling and this is another wicket for Atikula and this is another loss for BCC Bahrampura. Here is some confusion between the two batsmen. यहाँ पे थोड़ा देखना होगा। Okay, mas boleh jadi kau. यहाँ पे थोड़ा कंफ्यूजन था थोड़ा बैट्समैन के दौरान। अब दिस इज नो विकेट फॉर BCC Bahrampura. Here is a great bowling by Atikula. Now BCC Bahrampura, they need 77 runs in 80 deliveries and they have only 4 wickets in hand. And Dar Panthers, they need only 4 wickets for win this match. This is a great bowling by the bowlers of Dar Panthers. Like Atikula, he take 3 early wickets and Nisar Dar take 1 wicket, 2 wickets, and Tariq Dar is always plays good. Take 1 wicket for his team. Now Atikula on his bowling mark to the batsman Abid. Oh, this is not a good delivery. This is wide delivery given by the umpire. Okay, this wide. The score goes on 47 runs, and there are 7 early wickets. यहाँ पे जितनी तारीफ की जाए एटिकुला की बहुत ही कम है, खासकर एटिकुला, निसार डार, तारिक डार. They bowled very well today. They take early wickets. Etikula on his bowling mark to the batsman Abid, but it is no run. Score remains on 47 after 7 overs, and they lost 7. 6 to Zubair, 9. Arshid Rashid 7, Umar 7. Etikula take 3 wickets. Nisar Dar take 2, and Tariq take also 1 wicket now. The bowler on his bowling mark is Dar Nisar. Nisar Dar is on his bowling mark to the batsman Junaid. अगर हम बात करें आज जो 2 टीमें हैं, now Nisar to the batsman Junaid, and this is a wide delivery given by the umpire Tawfiq. With this wide, the score moves on 48 runs, and they lost 6 early wickets. Now Nisar on his bowling mark to Junaid. Oh, this is good bowling, great bowling by Nisar Dar, and this is dot delivery, no run. Score remains on 48, and they lost 6 early wickets. This is Nisar on his bowling mark to the batsman Junaid. This is another good delivery by Nisar Dar. This is another dot, no run. Score remains on 48 after 7.2 overs, and they lost 6. Nisar Dar to the batsman Junaid. Oh ho ho! This is another good delivery by Nisar Dar. This is dot delivery. Score remains on 48 run, and they lost 6 early wickets. This is great bowling by Nisar Dar. Now Nisar Dar on his bowling mark to the batsman Junaid. Oh, this is good shot played by the batsman Junaid. This is first 6 for Junaid, and with the 6, the score moves on 54 run. And for the loss of 6 wickets, this is 6 for Junaid, 6 for BCC Barampura. After 7.4 overs, the score is 54. Now they need 69 runs in 74 deliveries. Can they stay here? Can they win this match? It will be seen. And Dart Ferrars, they need only 4 wickets here for win this match. If they want to win this match, they need 4 wickets. Nisar Dar to the batsman Junaid, and this is another good delivery, but at the end, the 2 batsmen take a single. With this single, the score moves on 55 runs, and they lost 6 wickets. This is the last delivery of this 3rd over of Nisar Dar, and the last delivery for this 8th over. Here is some tips by the batsman, by Junaid to the batsman Abid. Nisar to the batsman Abid. Oh, this is great bowling by Nisar Dar. This is the 3rd wicket of Nisar, and with this wicket, the BCC lost their 7th wicket. Here is great bowling by Nisar Dar. He take 3 early wickets for his team, and he take 3 wickets. और उसने सिर्फ 13 रन खर्च किए अपने 3 ओवर्स में. This is great bowling by the bowlers of Dart Ferrars, and this is very good effort given by the bowlers, and now the score on board is 55, and they lost 7 early wickets after 8 overs. Now Dart Ferrars, they need 3 wickets for win this match, and BCC Barampura, they need 68 runs, and they have only 3 wickets in hand. Now the new bowler is Sharifuddin Dar, the most senior kicker of this area Chukar. He is on his bowling mark now to the batsman Junaid. The new batsman is Rafiq Baba. He is on non-strike now. Junaid is on strike. Sharifuddin Dar to the batsman Junaid. Oh, this is a good shot played by the batsman Junaid. This is a 4 for Junaid and 4 for BCC Barampura. With this 4, the score moves on 59 runs, and they lost 7 early wickets. Here they need runs. If they want to win this, they need 68 runs in 72 deliveries, but they have only 3 wickets in hand. Today the lazy cricket played by BCC Barampura in बैटिंग. अगर हम बॉलिंग की बात करें तो अच्छी बॉलिंग का मुजाहरा किया आज BCC बारामपुरा ने, लेकिन अपने जल्दी विकेट चटकाए, जैसे कि उनको कोई जल्दी थी अपने विकेट गंवाने की. Only 59 runs on board, and they lost 7 wickets after 8.1 overs. This is Sharifuddin on his first over to the batsman Junaid. Junaid, he is on 16 runs. आप लाइव स्ट्रीम को ज़्यादा से ज़्यादा शेयर करें और कमेंट सेक्शन में ज़रूर लिखिए आप तक हमारी आवाज़ और वीडियो कॉल की कैसी पहुँच पा रही है। दिस इज शरीफ टू द बैट्समैन जुनैद। Here is chance, but that is missed. This is 4. This is 4 for Junaid and 4 for BCC Bahrampura. BCC Bahrampura need this wicket of Junaid. They need this partnership here if they want to win this match. Because they lost their early 7 wickets and they have only 63 runs on board. Now Sharifuddin Dar. This is T20 Super Cup third edition played at Jakarta ground. Today's match is between Dar Parrots versus BCC Bahrampura. First, Dar Parrots win the toss and they opted to bat first. After 20 hours, they give the target of 126 runs. But at the end, after 8.2 hours, the score for BCC Bahrampura is only 63 runs. And they lost 7 early wickets. Now they need 60 runs. Sharifuddin to the batsman. This is great delivery. Good delivery by Sharifuddin Dar. And this is dot no run. Score remains on 63. And they lost 7 wickets. Junaid is on 20 runs. Sharifuddin Dar to the batsman Junaid. And this is another good delivery. Another dot delivery. No run. Score remains on 63. Now Sharifuddin Dar on his bowling mark to the batsman Junaid. Oh, this is another good shot played by the batsman Junaid. This is 6. This is 6 for Junaid. This is 6 for BCC Bahrampura. They need this wicket of Junaid. They need this partnership here if they want to win this match. Because they need this player Junaid. He moves on 26 runs in just 15 deliveries. Now they need 54 runs in 67 deliveries. Sharifuddin Dar. This is very expensive over by Sharifuddin Dar. He gives 14 runs in just 5 deliveries. And BCC Bahrampura, they need this wicket of Junaid because they need this partnership here if they want to win this match. Junaid on 26 runs. Sharifuddin Dar to the batsman Junaid. And this is wide delivery given by the umpire Tawfiqul Noor. With this wide, the score moves on 70 and they lost 7. Now they need 53 runs. BCC Bahrampura need this wicket of Junaid. And here is yes, no, but at the end. Oh, this is wicket. This is another wicket for. They lost their 8th wicket in the shape of run out. Or this is lazy wicket by the batsman Rafiq Baba. Rafiq Baba lost their wicket. Here was no need of this run. They lost their wicket. The score on board is 70 and they lost 8 wickets after 9 overs. This is lazy cricket played by BCC Bahrampura here. Now they have 2 wickets in hand and they need 53 runs in 67 deliveries. This is a run out by Sharifuddin Dar. Good fielding by Sharifuddin Dar. And it is wicket for Dar Parrots and BCC Bahrampura. They lost their 8th wicket. They was not need this run, but they lost the wicket of Baba. Now after 9 hours, the score on board is 70 and they lost 8 early wickets. Sophie Bashar, thank you Sophie Bashar for watching this live stream and keep share this live stream with your friends, and you can also watch this live stream on my YouTube channel Muhammad Anas bin Bilal. And you can also put your comments in the comment section. Sophie Bashar, thank you for your love and thank you for your support. Now the new batsman on crease is Umar. Is the new batsman for BCC Bahrampura. Nisar Dar. He's on his 4th over. He's on his bowling mark to the batsman Umar. Oh, this is great bowling by Nisar Dar. He shouts here but cannot impress the umpire Tawfiqul Noor. And this is third delivery. No run. Score remains on 70 and they lost 8 early wickets. Keep share this live stream with your friends and you can also watch this live stream on my YouTube channel Muhammad Anas bin Bilal. यहाँ पे जितनी तारीफ की जाए डार पैरा से उतनी कम है. Nisar Dar on his bowling mark to the batsman, new batsman Umar Latif Chopra. Thank you for watching this live stream and keep share this live stream with your friends. Thank you for your love. Thank you for your support. This is shot played by the batsman Umar, but at the end, very good fielding by the captain of Dar Parrots, Dina DSR. but cannot stop the two batsmen to take a single. With this single, the score goes on 71, and they lost. This is Nisar to the batsman Junaid, and Junaid he is on 26 runs. Kitna hai target? Target is only 126 runs. Now they need 52 runs, but they have in hand 2 wickets in hand only. Now Nisar Dar to the batsman Nisar. Junaid plays a good shot here, but and very good fielding by Tariq Dar, but cannot stop the two batsmen to take 2 runs. इम्तियाज हुसैन, थैंक यू इम्तियाज साहब फॉर वाचिंग दिस लाइव स्ट्रीम. कीप शेयर, इस लाइव स्ट्रीम को ज़्यादा से ज़्यादा शेयर करें आप अपने दोस्तों के साथ. दिस इज Nisar Dar to the batsman Junaid. Oh, this is great bowling by Nisar Dar. This is the 4th over of Nisar Dar. He take also 3 wickets and he give only 16 runs. Now Nisar Dar to the batsman Junaid. Oh, here is chance of wicket. This is catch taken by the wicket keeper. This is another loss for BCC, and this is the wicket of Junaid. Junaid goes on 27. He lost the wicket on 28 runs. This is the 9th wicket for BCC Baharampura. Now Dar Parrots, they need 1 wicket to win this match. Sophie Bashar match है अभी किसको? Thank you Sophie Bashar साहब for watching this live stream. This match is between Dar Parrots, the team of Chukar, and BCC Baharampura. First, Dar Parrots win the toss and they win the toss and decide to bat first. After 20 hours, the target is 126 runs. But after 10 hours, the score for BCC Baharampura is 73 runs on board, and they lost 9. Now this is the last pair on this pitch, and this is the last wicket here. They need Chukar, Dar Parrots, they need 1 wicket to win this match. This is great bowling by Nisar Dar and great bowling by Etikula. जितनी तारीफ की जाए उतनी कम है. आज Nisar Dar दावेदार है मैन ऑफ द मैच के. आज बहुत ही अच्छी कारकर्दगी किया Nisar Dar ने. बॉलिंग की, बैटिंग भी अच्छी की. So this is Sharifuddin Dar to the batsman Umar. This is another dot delivery, no run. Score remains on 73 and they lost 9 other wickets. Now this is the last pair for BCC Baharampura. Sharifuddin Dar. This is a shot played by the batsman Umar. Here is a 1 run. The 2 batsmen take a single. With this single, the score goes on 75 runs. Dar Panthers, they need only 1 wicket to win this match. Today is the great bowling by Dar Panthers like Nisar Dar, Etikula, Nisar Dar. This is another wicket. This is last wicket, and this is the win for Dar Panthers. Great bowling by Dar Panthers. This is win. And this is great bowling by Nisar Dar, Etikula, Sharifuddin Dar, Tariq Dar. They win this match, and the total is totally here is good. Great bowling by the team Dar Panthers, like Tariq, like Nisar, like So it is the end of this match. Dar Panthers win this match.